I'm excited because I'm getting introduced to a whiskey I've never had. I think that's kind of the point of the kits. One of the things that I really like about the kits is it works for everyone. It works for your whiskey lover. It also works for your whiskey noob that doesn't know anything about it. Why not?
Please like and subscribe to our channel.
What's up, everybody?
Hey guys, it is Scotch for Dummies.
Four guys on the Scotch journey to help you with your next Scotch purchase.
Which may not be Scotch, guys. So it's that time of year again. Everybody is looking for a holiday present. And we had a company called Bevridge reach out to us and see if we were interested in taking a look at their whiskey tasting kits. And they're very nice.
Beautiful.
So we kind of want to dig into these and show them to all of you and see what you think. But so far, pretty impressed. They have a world whiskey kit and they have an American single malt kit.
Ooh.
And they're tasting kits. They're designed to introduce you to some distilleries that you may or may not know right now.
Absolutely. There's a lot of cool opportunities for people to get into these kits and reasons why you might want to get into them. But let's dig into the World Whiskey Spirit kit first and talk about what's inside it, what it looks like, what you get inside the kit. We haven't dug into it, so you guys are going to join us on this venture. To start off with, they use Stranger and Stranger for their labeling and marketing, I guess you could say, their packaging. And if you're not familiar with them, think Compass Box. Some of the coolest packaging you're going to see in the industry.
Amazing.
Really nice, well
Amazing.
thought out stuff.
That is so cool.
So as you peel off the outer label, they go through the different types of whiskey that they're going through, whether it be a rye whiskey, a bourbon, an Irish malt whiskey, or a Scotch. And so it goes through and kind of talks about each type of whiskey before you even open the kit. So there's kind of a primer to what's going into it. Then when you open the box, you end up with 5 different bottles, 5 numbered bottles. And then on the left side of the kit, it is the description for the bottles. So if you wanted to do this blind, you could just kind of cover up this section and go into your whiskey.
Exactly.
So the bottles actually don't have anything other than the numbers on them.
Correct.
And the ABV.
And they're 50 milliliter bottles.
Oh.
And so this kit has 5 bottles.
5 bottles.
Right? So 250 milliliters.
Yeah, so it's a Scotch, an Irish, an American malt, a rye, and then
Bourbon.
a bourbon, yes.
Right.
Cool.
And the other kit is the American single malt kit.
Yeah.
I'm
excited
really
for
interested
sure.
in this one. This actually has 10 bottles in it, right?
You know, I will say too, yes, it does. And I think this is so cool how they do this. I'm already screwing it up, but I'm trying to be careful because I really appreciate what Stranger Stranger does. And I tell you what, the marketing and packaging behind what they're doing right now, and by the way, their website is phenomenal.
It is.
It's so if you're looking at this, honestly, I'm super impressed. But yeah, same thing with what you're saying as far as a whole flyer, pamphlet, goes over everything in there, all 10. And let's open this thing up and kind of look at this real quick.
This is a bigger kit, twice the size, actually twice the whiskey.
Easy there.
So the kit card comes out on this one.
Well, this is
Because there's 10
Twice as many.
Right. So here's what's in the kit, right? So it's still blind if you want it to be because you have your numbers and here's the information behind it. But you don't have to do it blind if you didn't want to. I just like the fact that they did bottle it that way.
Yeah.
Man, look at the packaging too. It's huge foam behind that. Super sturdy, and they're locked in there tight.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not going anywhere.
It's really quality stuff.
Nice.
So I'm mostly impressed with they picked some decent distilleries. I mean, it's not stuff that's, sometimes you get these kits and you're like, oh, well, I don't really want that.
Right.
You know what I mean? And there's like one that you want to try. This isn't that.
Yeah, they went with established brands for both the World Whiskey Kit and for the American Single Malt Kit that you recognize you may or may not be on your shelf depending on where you live because some of these markets are a little bit smaller for some of the, especially for some of the American single malts. But if you know American
Good
single
point.
malts, these brands are common.
Right. Now, there being 10 bottles, it is only representative of 6 distilleries.
Yeah.
And I anticipate that to grow. This company just started in 2021.
Yeah.
So they haven't been around for long. Actually, this is probably close to their first, it maybe best second holiday season. So I anticipate seeing these kits grow and more distilleries be represented. We'd like to kind of nudge them and maybe see something in the line of Scotch, but we'll work on that.
Well, boys, listen. Let's talk. Let's get some of these bottles out
drink.
and have a dram, and we'll talk about it.
Let's dig into it.
Sounds good.
Yeah. All right, so we've got some poured, and we're going to dig
we
into what we poured and maybe why we poured it. Drew, what do you got?
Well, I picked an American single malt. Obviously, that's kind of something I'm really into right now. Scotch is my favorite, but single malt, American single malt is pretty cool. And I picked something. This is a Westward bottle I tried here. It's Pinot Noir, and it's basically charred American oak, lightly charred American oak, finished in French oak and Pinot Noir. So it's really interesting. It's very nice. It's malty. It's only 45 ABV, but I'm liking what I'm getting so far. And I think the cool thing about what I'm getting here is that this is great for something that when you're looking for a whiskey set for someone that's like into whiskey that has a lot of bottles, I love this idea because I don't have to think about, okay, well, does he have that bottle? Does she have that bottle? Do they have this bottle? I can be like, this is cool because I know you're into American single malt, or I know you're into world whiskeys, or you haven't yet. And this is a cool way to expand that and say, for what's $100, $150, here's a cool thing. 10 bottles, by the way,
Right.
from different distilleries. Have fun. So I'm really excited about this. I'm looking forward to this dram.
So far, so good.
So far, so good.
What do you got?
I've got, I picked an American single malt, Virginia Whiskey Company, sherry cask finish. It's light, fruity. It's got a hint of sherry, not over sherry, but because it's a younger whiskey. But I mean, it's good, enjoyable dram. I got no problems with this. The kits themselves, I think we all had a problem getting the caps off of. That was like the only drawback to the thing, to be fair.
Pretty tight.
But I did enjoy the selections of whiskeys, and I really like the fact that they've set these up as blinds right out of the gate, right? Like, if you've got some friends like we do that enjoy having whiskey and being challenged on it a little bit, I mean, doing blinds, we talk about it on the channel all the time. You think you know what you're talking about until somebody puts 5 numbered bottles in front of you and tells you to find the one, right?
You get one right.
Humble, right? But it's fun. It's humbling in a good way. So I like the fact that they're set up like this. Just really well done package. So I mean, if you're gonna look for something like that, I would look at these.
I agree. Cool idea.
Yeah, I'm drinking took an American single malt. It's the Westland Distillery. So one of the things I like about this is the size of the bottle is really great for sharing. Mm-hmm. So I looked up this bottle. If you wanted to buy it, it's like $60 for a bottle. Well, for $150, I can get 10 different bottles to taste, and there's enough. Each of these are 50 milliliters, and so there's enough in there that you could taste 4 or 5, 3 to 5 people off one of these bottles. You get a kit. Each of you put in $30 or $40, and then you can go through this kit and you can go discuss it. You can spend a whole evening going through this whiskey. I love that about the kit.
Mm-hmm.
As compared to like during the holiday season, you get those advent calendar kits. We get those little 1 ounce bottles,
Right.
And of course they're already labeled with somebody you don't probably know because there's 25 different whiskeys in there. Whereas these are, you can do a blind with them. You can't blind those little bottles, and there's only an ounce in there. So
Right.
And these, it's just different from what you're buying from the shelf. Johnny Walker has samplers, Glenfiddich, everyone has samplers out there, but it's their whiskey. This is a chance to try stuff that you've never had before. Yeah. And to your point, that's a great idea.
Yep.
So I went with the other kit into the world whiskeys, and I tried the Irish Limavady. If I'm pronouncing that right, probably not.
Illuminati?
Right. I chose it because actually I do like a lot of Irish whiskeys, and I've got a little bit more experience with Irish whiskey than probably the American single malts, but I've yet to try this actual whiskey, and I was like, all right, so what's in the nose to me is fun because it's different. It's very vegetal. There's a nuttiness to it. I can't quite put my tongue to it. I can't figure this one out. I'm going to have fun dissecting this glass once this video is over. But on the palate, it's got something. It's a little edgy. It's a little hot. I think I need to let it cool down. But I'm excited because I'm getting introduced to a whiskey I've never had. I think that's kind of the point of the kits. Mm-hmm. One of the things I really like about the kits is it works for everyone. It works for your whiskey lover. It also works for your whiskey noob that doesn't know anything about it. Why not? You can really have some fun with this in a group. And instead of just doing a blind, maybe you've got some more whiskey experienced people doing it. Set it up and challenge them. Pick out the sherry finished, whiskey. Pick out the ex-bourbon. So you can actually, there's a lot you can do with it, and it fits a broad profile of individuals. You don't just have to be a whiskey lover. You can actually share this with somebody who's not, and maybe you
Turn it
create
into one, right? Yeah. we love those people.
We're all about that, right? So, I mean, to wrap it up, I really am impressed with the kits from a quality standpoint, a packaging standpoint, the contents. I'm excited to see what they bring in the future.
How do they order them?
Well, on their website, there's actually, you can get them from Reserve Bar too. I think they actually are on their website as well, but you can order them directly from their website, which is beverage.co, right? I believe that's what it is. And I'm not sure on the price points. To be clear, they did send us these kits to get into, and I'm glad they did because I think we're pretty impressed with what they've got.
And they got more things on the horizon. We know that, right? And then they talked about gin and a couple other things, but I think they're just getting started. And I'm excited for what this is. Like I said earlier, I've seen samples out there from different distilleries. I like this because, to all our points, it's a surprise in a box.
It is.
To a whiskey lover.
Everybody loves that.
And that's cool, right? So if you're looking for something that, my husband's a bourbon drinker, or my wife's a whatever drinker, right? This is a cool way to say, hey, try this. You might like it.
Yeah.
Right. Great gift idea.
I know it felt like Christmas today.
It did. Well, with that being said, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers to you.
Everyone.
Cheers.